Alright, this is how to change a front wheel bearing on a 2006 CLS55. And same thing on E-classes, CLSs, SLs, and pretty much most of the Mercedes. So I got a knuckle right here. I already got a part. So with this, you gotta pop off the cap first. Usually you're just gonna have to use a chisel on both sides. I'm just gonna hit it and then it will eventually pry up. So once you get that off, there's a Loctite or a nut tie, whatever you want to call it, and that is screwed on with the Allen. I believe it's a 5mm. So I already unscrewed it, so once you loosen that up, it just kind of comes off pretty easily. So that's it right there. And then this just slides up. Alright, so this is it. And this bearing just pops out. Alright, that's just an idea how to take it apart.